Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can correctly use Yupp AI. In order to do so, here we are at Yupp.ai, and now that we're here, you will find out for yourself that Yupp is no longer active, unfortunately. We do have some testimonials here of people who used Yupp and enjoyed it very much. If you scroll all the way down, it does not seem like there is anything that you can do here aside from just look at what Yupp used to offer. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra and use our promotional code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link to get $50 to open an account, and if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Could personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.